Tapescript 3.9.2.
Hello.
Hello, Sopanya Clinic. How may I help you?
My daughter has bumped her head. She has cut her arm and she has a bruise on her thigh. She also feels sick and she has a headache.
Okay. I think it would be a good idea to come to the clinic and see the doctor.
Is he there now?
No, he isn't. He should be here in about an hour. He's gone to see a patient. He shouldn't be long. The clinic is very quiet today, so you shouldn't have to wait too long. He should be able to see your daughter straight away.
Will she need to stay overnight?
No, she shouldn't have to stay overnight.
Okay, I'll come to the clinic straight away. It shouldn't take me long to get there. I should be there in 15 minutes.
Okay, see you in 15 minutes. Bye.
Thanks for your help. Bye.
Bump. Bump.
Injure. Injure. Bruise. Bruise.
Thigh. Thigh.
Patient. Patient. Straight away. Straight away.